of Sotheby's. Congratulations. And the next award, ladies and gentlemen, goes to Dr. Rajendra Bhayani. Dr. Rajendra Bhayani is not here. And the next award goes to Srimati Kanta Adlaka. She's here. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Srimati Kanta Adlaka for receiving the Hindratana Award. Congratulations. I've got this. The next award goes to Dr. Dinesh Sinha. Please put your hands together for Dr. Dinesh Sinha. Those were the Hindratan Awards, ladies and gentlemen. The next comes is the Navratan Award, which goes to Dr. Kenneth Shane Sajwan from USA. Please put your hands together for Dr. Sajwan from USA for receiving this very prestigious Navratan Award. Congratulations to you, sir.
Sri Lanka bolna.
And ladies and gentlemen, we present the Sword of Honor Award to Mr. Satyananda Maharana from Sri Lanka. Please put your hands together for Sri Satyananda Maharana from Sri Lanka for receiving the Sword of Honor. And the next award is the Mother Teresa Award, which goes to Dr. Hemlata Parmar. Please put your hands together for Dr. Hemlata Parmar for receiving the Mother Teresa Award. Please come all the way from New York. Please put your hands together for Dr. Parmar from New York receiving the Mother Teresa Award. And ladies and gentlemen, the Harbhajan Singh Media Award goes to Ms. Shala Nigar. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Ms. Nigar for receiving the Harbhajan Singh Media Award. Congratulations to you. And the Indira Gandhi Priyadarshini Award goes to Shrikant Sharma. And the next award goes to Sonam Kapoor. That's the Indira Gandhi Priyadarshini Award.
No, Suman Kapoor is Hindratan.
Achha, okay, sorry. Suman Kapoor receives the Hind Ratan Award. Please put your hands together for her. She's from USA. And the Hind Ratan Award goes to Pradeep Kapoor. Mr. Pradeep Kapoor is also from USA. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Mr. Pradeep Kapoor for receiving the Hind Ratan Award as he joins us on the dais.
New Zealand.
Sonam Kapoor is from New Zealand. Sorry for that.
You are Bantiya na?
And ladies and gentlemen, once again, put your hands together for all the prestigious winners of this very special award and honor. Let's hear it louder for all our awardees.
Call upon Bhishma Ryan Singh now.
And ladies and gentlemen, may I once again have the privilege of requesting Dr. Bhishma Ryan Singh, President of the Society, to kindly address the distinguished audience present here. And ladies and gentlemen, once again, put your hands together to welcome Dr. Bhishma Ryan Singh. May I request everybody to kindly be seated? Requesting all our guests to kindly be seated before our President addresses. May I request everybody to kindly take their seats, please? All of you are requested to kindly take the seats. Our distinguished President of the Society and our Honorable Chief Guest today, Dr. Bhishma Ryan Singh Ji, is going to address the August gathering. May I request our photographer friends to kindly... May I request all our photographers to kindly not take pictures now? Kindly wait for 10 minutes. Our distinguished and honorable President of the Society and our honorable Chief Guest, Dr. Bhishma Ryan Singh Ji, is going to address the audience now. And ladies and gentlemen, once again, put your hands together to welcome Dr. Bhishma Ryan Singh.
Friends on the dais, this is going to be the very short speech, just to thank you as a matter of fact. And really, I was overwhelmed when I was presenting award to all of you. Such a deserving, such a important people for all of us. This is 35th, you know, aware that this is 56th International Congress, which is going to be concluded now. And at the outset, I would like to thank on behalf of the society and also personally the distinguished dignitaries. All my friends are here, all very distinguished dignitaries. In democracy, Gurinder Ji, I want to mention one point here. Dalbir Singh Ji, I want to mention one point, that in democracy, NGOs play a very important role. Non-governmental organization, they play a very important role. Actually, they support the effort of the government. Government can't do everything possible. You know, every year there was Pravasi Bharatiya Sammelan, this year it is not there. So this society is permanent. In the sense, Gurinder Ji, NRI society is permanent. Government did not do this year Pravasi Bharatiya award. But it can't be given to everybody. And so much distinguished and deserving people like all of you are left out. So therefore, we are so happy that there is no vacuum. There is award ceremony and you are got it. My hearty congratulations to all of you, those who have received the award. Very, very hearty congratulations. And the other point, that in democracy, what happens, Gurinder Ji, and for you also, that generally people think those who are not in the government, they are unemployed people. This is never a fact. If you ask my experience, this is never a fact. Those who are not in government, they are free bird. I can speak whatever I like, but in government you have limitations. You can't cross the Lakshman Rekha. Impossible. So we have more liberty, and in presenting the award also, no discrimination. Inko dijiye, unko mat dijiye. There is no problem. So it is always the society, the NRI Society of India, and particularly the General Secretary, all these people. And I will inform you that when I was making observations in the morning, the mother of Gurindarji was not here. She is here, so let us welcome her with clapping our hands. Kantaji, he is with us. It's a really great pleasure, and she has also contributed a lot in promoting this organization and helping now, advising now, Deepakji, Gurindarji and Deepakji, the whole family rather. So I am very happy that I have listened, I was sitting that side also, I have listened to the deliberation and found that the trend and the level of the discussions and interventions were of very high order, very high order. I thank the dignitaries for their valuable participation. I am also grateful to the delegates who have come from various parts of the world and have contributed to the success of this Congress. The deliberations of the Congress have been quite comprehensive till last. And Sardar Sahab mentioned about Gandhiji, I am happy about him, that he mentioned about Mahatma Gandhi, because he's from Kenya, from Africa. So naturally, Africans also, they feel proud about Gandhiji, and Gandhiji is our father of the nation. So we are all proud of him. And you are aware about that, on his birthday, 22nd October, world celebrates Non-Violence Day, whole world. It has been passed by United Nations. So Gandhiji's name, when he took, I was very happy with him, that he mentioned about Gandhiji. And it was very comprehensive, and this covers many aspects, and there are issues which have been discussed where cover a very wide range. India is fortunate to have the largest diaspora after China. We have the largest diaspora, and you are contributing a lot through the remittance, through participation, through the investment, many ways. I hope that the policy matters will be decided at the appropriate levels as the greater participation of NRIs in the economic development is a subject beyond party politics. There is no, in the morning also I said, there is no party politics at all. Here on the table also, no party politics. Everybody is committed for all of you. And the proceedings are being documented and will be sent to the appropriate officials and concerned ministries. India is strong, and our economic policy is also sound. Morning also I have said, there is no setback here. There is no word like setback. As I have earlier said, democracy in this country has taken a deep root, that I have also mentioned in the morning. The very essence of democracy is the change of governments in a peaceful manner and according to a set procedure for asserting the wishes of the people. So you have seen many governments changing. There is all peaceful change of the government. Can there be any other example than the success of our democracy? When we became independent 66 years ago, we had vision, a dream. We must move forward in this direction with speed and determination to realize the goal in foreseeable future. If we have confidence in ourselves and the NRIs have confidence in themselves, such a task is not very difficult. Overseas Indians have excluded themselves and pioneered so much. We are proud that some of the richest people are Indians in many countries of the world today. Richest people, Indians. So we feel very proud about that. According to these four magazine, all these four, they write about all these things. Once again, I'd like to thank you all for your honored presence and participation in the Congress. The process of development and economic reforms is a continuous process. And I do hope and look forward to your participation in the next Congress also, and to our valuable suggestions in the light of the prevailing situation. I hope there would be further progress in setting the various issues raised. With these words, I wish you very pleasant stay and very fruitful visit. Thank you very much. Jai Hind.
Thank you very much indeed, sir, for your wonderful closing address and for kindly giving away the awards. And may I now invite Mr. S.K. Roy from TCB to kindly say a few words.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I'd like to convey my great of gratitude to NRL Welfare Society for giving me the honor of delivering my speech. I represent a company called TCB, Training and Certification Bureau, as a country manager in India, and I got the responsibility of developing the business in India and Asian subcontinent. So I'd like to take a few minutes of yours, so develop my company and what we do exactly to let you know. TCB is worldwide, was started at international business in 2008. We started 2008, that means the last 8 years have been very eventful. We have been able to achieve few important milestones like developing a network in 20 countries in the world for competence development. We are offering worldwide quality inspection, certification and training services. In precise way, we're an organization offering third-party inspection services, management system training, and assessment service and certification worldwide. For that, what I meant to say that everybody's spoken about the development of education, and we are connecting with NSDC, as I said, every other companies are working with for developing the competence. People must have quality inherent in them, and we are one of the few companies accredited by IRCA, which is an international registration of certificated auditors, and we are also into safety development and safety skills improvement in India. For that, we also got occupational health and safety services. So we are into a module of developing training all over India. And we're getting that there was a time in the Middle East, you know, all inspection engineers, quality inspectors used to work, especially they used to come from India. But these days, we're seeing that for the language barrier, Chinese and Taiwans, you know, they never used to work before there. But now they are developing their skills in English. And they're already competent in their background because they are laborers, cheap labor they're manufacturing. And they are developing their skills. And they're coming into Middle East and getting the market, which is supposed to be in the whole of India. But now the problem is our Indians are so intelligent. Our educational system is so proud. If you see the ancient studies, what we did, like Nalanda University, where a teacher and student used to was 1:8. So we are still following. In IRCA, if you see, the far west is following that, our ancient studies, where Nalanda University, as I said, that the master was only 1 and 8 candidates might be trained in a single batch. Where in IRCA, if you follow the rules, same thing we are following, that 1:10. So we cannot take more than 10 candidates for the training and lead auditing in quality aspects or occupational health and safety. And we are developing the competence. The Middle East government also taking and the liberty of IRCA, and they are developing the inspection engineering skills. They're working very closely. But the problem is, we are not getting sufficient intelligent authority where the Indians are producing much brilliant students, but they're not ready with the industry requirement. So we are TCB, as we're connecting a bridge between the employees' requirement and the developments of employees. So that's how we are doing, and we expect to have a good work. And NRL Welfare Society has supported us a lot to connect with the government, and we're working on a few tenders for NSDC, Highway Authority, Railway Ministry, Oil and Gas. We want to say that we got to know from ONGC, which is one of the pioneer oil and gas companies in India, they're having a requirement of training their 12,000 of employees in 2 years. And they said that they're not getting sufficient training authority like us. And they're seeking for this. Though in terms of volume of financial aspect, we're very small. but we are growing gradually and rapidly. And we expect to deliver one of the best training authority very soon in India. And I am really proud to announce that TCB owner himself is an Indian, and he had an oath of delivering himself in the quality nation. We already had in the World Quality Day, Govindaji delivered a small speech. Once we have to deliver quality, we have to think quality. So that's how we are trying our aspects to deliver and give something to our nation. And that's how I want to end it. Thank you very much, all of you, for joining us today. And hope to see you again, and we can build a nation, quality nation together. Thank you very much. Appreciate it.
Thank you very much indeed. And may I now invite Mr. Dalbir Singh to kindly say a few words. May I also request for the exit doors to be closed, please? Thank you.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, we had very interesting and stimulating deliberations whole of day today. We noted your curiosity, we noted your inquisitiveness, we also noted your concerns and your apprehensions. And believe you me, we'll make appropriate and strong recommendations to pass the SB to the government. We were equally overwhelmed by display of love and affection from all of you for India. And let me tell you, only if India prospers and grows would it make all of us proud, you, me, everyone here in this hall. And I'm sure in days to come, we'll continue to receive your love, affection, support, and continued cooperation, and also partnership in building this country together. With these words, I'd like to thank once again Gurinder. I'd like to thank Deepak for putting this conference together and making great success of it, and all the panelists who've been able to come and spend hours discussing various issues here. And I also like to thank all of you for having coming all this distance to be part of this conference. And I hope you have a very safe journey back home and you enjoy your trip while you are here. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen.
Thank you very much indeed. And now, ladies and gentlemen, I have the privilege in inviting Dr. Shakil Uzman Ansari to kindly propose the vote of thanks. Dr. Ansari is the ex-Minister, Government of Bihar, Member, National Commission for Backward Classes, Government of India, ex-National Secretary, All India Congress Committee, and presently Secretary, All India Congress Committee, Chairman, National Minority Forum, Lecturer, SGGS, College Patna, Magad University, Bihar. Dr. Ansari has been in the teaching profession for the past 21 years. And ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together to welcome Dr. Ansari for the vote of thanks.
Before that, amongst us, we have the Mayor of Guatemala, Mr. Florencio. Mr. Florencio, can you come up on the stage, please? Come up on the stage, please.
Yes, please put your hands together as we welcome the Honorable Mayor onto the stage.
We just want to welcome you, sir. Don't worry, no speeches from you. Don't get...
Yeah, sorry, no, sorry. I'm going to translate for him because he only speaks Spanish.
Before that, our president would like to present him this book. Yes. Can you get him here, please?
We're here, yeah.
Yeah, please. Oh, from the front?
From the front?
Yeah, from the front.
Then there will be good photograph. Otherwise, it won't be good photograph. Please come. Both of you. Would like to speak? Would like to use? Yes, both of you. Please,
And ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together as our President presents the News Link, NRI Link magazine to the Honorable Mayor.
Thank you very much. Mr. Ansari, please.
Thank you very much indeed for being here with us. And ladies